Kiama ya mawakiri LSK rwangirwa THIRIKARI gukurukira mukariri gete wao kirimi muturi bariuga iba maketwe ni thirikari ya kaunti gwetana mbere kwithiria ruko gatigatine ga tauni ya CHUKA bakiaria kagita kawandi bamite skuru ni ya CHUKA Girls kirimi ariuga KIARA kiu ni ugwati bunene kiria biashara na AKARI bari taunine we CHUKA akirigaranike kinya NEMA itiratonyera mantu jaja Samuel Gaishima na gotwacho.
Indeni ya cukuru ya sekondari ya CHUKA kiathoni kia wandibwa mite ukungwira mianka 10 kuma katiba ya mwanka wa 2010 ikuthondeka koti ya marama tuthiurukirite na minda akiaria kiathoni ikumo karirigite wa kiama kia mawakili LSK kaunti ya THIRIKARI kirimi muturi na meneretie itagarira thirikari ya kaunti ya THIRIKARI ria gutejaga ruko kenini kira kirindeni ya muchi wa CHUKA. Muturi ariwa kiani eku kia matemaruko no wati muno kiri ugima bwa kariba muchiojo wa CHUKA na ntora iriri akube akirigaraga ikina onto kinyobichi cha NEMA itabinga utaibwa mateba ntoagu.
We note with concern that ours is mainly the only community hosting a waste dumping and of disposal site within and in the midst of its CBD within proximity of residential, institutional and office establishments. Yet nobody, including NEMA, who are here today, have found it within their obligation to take requisite action to remove the nuisance. It is caring and appalling that we continue to move on with business as usual attitude without any iota of concern in the endangering activities of the nuisance that poses a serious threat to our environment.
Chausiano urano emurugamiri wa koti ya minda ya CHUKA na ugete ati kuri na ubatu bwa AKARI kuthitangaga magamba maingi makurigiria kwenyangwa kwa Riera bantu akujuria koti enu na magamba megie nkandano chiotunyani bwa minda tamara maujuri koti enu kagitaka.
A lot of people think it's a land court. They only think of land, but they forget about the environment. Because when you hear of a land court, they just say but there is more. In fact, the first word is environment and land. So land is second. We know disputes to do with land are very emotive, but the most important issues that we deal with as a court is environmental matters.
Commissioner wa kaunti no Nobat Komora nwena ugite ati kinyawe gwa Kenya ni kinyithetie chunchige 12 kwegana kibaragata kira kiri na miti kuri na ubatu bwa kwanda miti nkurukie chigo bunge kia THIRIKARI na sub county ya Igamba Ng'ombe.
Yeah, but when we look at the lower side of THIRIKARI, I think we still have a lot to do. I think that is where we'll have to put in a lot of emphasis.
Murugamiri wa mito wa kaunti ya THIRIKARI Joyce Nthoku na mugambithania munene wa koti ya CHUKA Lucy Gitari ibamweba atongoria baraba itigite kiatho giki.
We also have our forests in our hilltops, gazetted forests, so want to protect those hilltops, and most of them we have gone ahead and we have destroyed through illegal charcoal burning, through illegal grazing. And that's why the courts are here with us and they're helping us prosecute such malpractices which are destroying our environment. So
the forests are very important. Actually, all these medicines we take, they are there in the forest. I'm a witness to that. So when we are here, it is very important to think environment.
Nkiripotera Weru Njuma kuma gichigo bunge ya CHUKA Igamba Ng'ombe mbita wa Samuel Gaishima.